We all know that most of us love to listen to music, or watch movies or videos, and we want to have a good set of speakers. Well, this right here is for you. I'm Van Robles and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this is the UPBEAT multimedia speaker from Noon East, and right out of the box we have the bass module, 2 satellite speaker, and we also have the remote control and the 3.5 to RCA cable, user manual, and that's it. At the back we have the FM antenna, we've got the bass control knob, the auxiliary input, the speaker output, the on-off switch, and the power cable. Moving on to the sound test, and here's the sample.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes.
Loaded.
So for those of you who like or planning to buy a multimedia speaker, I highly recommend this one. Why? Because it has a good sound, good clean bass, compact design, and it has different input you can use. And more importantly, it's cheap. And I only get this here in KSA for about 75 reals. And it's worth the price, and I'm very satisfied. That's all for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you for watching.